It's all systems go for ESL One Manila, Southeast Asia's first premium Dota 2 tournament this April 23 and 24 at the Mall of Asia Arena. 8 teams from around the world are set to compete in the much-awaited international esports tournament with a $250,000 prize pool.
This is still a really big moment for us. This is the biggest event we've ever held in Asia. The one thing we can say when we announced this last year in November, it was the fastest selling event we've ever had. The tickets went so fast, no other event has done that before.
Also present at the press conference is Mineski Chief Executive Officer Ronald Robbins, who said that this event signals the growing esports industry in the Southeast Asian region, which according to him, has always been lagging behind its neighbors.
ESL One is a very important milestone here in our country and our region, especially Southeast Asia. There are two things why it is most important. It's both for the growth of the industry itself and the community. The event ESL One is an eye-opener both for Philippines and the Southeast Asian business towards esports.
A double elimination group stage on Friday, April 22 will decide which teams will be squaring it off at the playoffs on Saturday. In Group A are Team Liquid, Complexity, Wings, and homegrown Team Mineski, while Group B includes Team Secret, eHome, Team Empire, and Fnatic.
Pressure kami ngayon kasi sobrang bilis na nung ESL 1 na ginanap dito sa Pinas, tapos ilang months pa lang kami nagpa-practice.
Ilang ban pala kayo nag-practice?
1 month siguro, kasi bago yung player namin. Chance namin siguro 50-50 talaga, pero gagawin namin lahat.
With tickets sold out, 9,000 people are expected to watch the tournament in the Mall of Asia Arena this weekend. Don Kevin Hapal, Rappler, Manila.